Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you are doing good. So this was our last week video, which was all about stop loss and how to avoid stop loss in trading and learn option hedging strategies so that you can earn consistently from the market. A lot of people don't understand the seriousness of the topic and is more interesting topic rather than just buy and sell. Most of the people fall for the strategies like where people show a lot of big M2Ms just by buying an option, making 40,000, 50,000, like, but that is not consistent income. You need to understand that you have to manage risk to stay in the market for a longer period of time. So managing risk is only via options. But today, if you are interested, I can show you a strategy which you can simply use for your investing purpose, and the rules are very simple for this strategy, and it is so simple that you can just place the trade, keep your stop loss in the mind, and if you want you can place a GTD stop loss order and trail it till the time you can trail that trend. I will also give you an examples of the trend. When we go through the stocks which you can pick up, then you will be able to identify how to use this strategy. So let's get started. I'm using Share Khan terminal today, and the settings which I'm using is the same setting. It is a 14 and you can see the setting here. It is 14 and 2 super trend. Okay, there is average 20 period moving average and 200 period moving average. PSAR is optional, VWAP is optional if you want to use it. So what is the strategy? It's a simple strategy. Okay, wherever we get a long entry, we take long position in equity and our stop loss will be super trend, and we continue to ride the trend. Okay, let's see. And this is on a weekly time frame. This is a weekly time frame, guys. I'll just keep my epic pen handy. This is a weekly time frame. Please note it down, and the settings I've already shown you. So what is the beauty of this strategy? You will get to see once we start browsing for stocks which are giving us a weekly entry. So now this is a first stock, as you can see. This is giving us an entry on a weekly time frame, and this is ACC cement stock, and you're getting a bullish entry. But just wait for one more day. I want this high to be taken out, and you can follow the simple rule. Take quantity which is comfortable to you and keep stop loss as this super trend, which is your 688. That will be a super trend. Okay, let's see what is the beauty of this strategy. So where is the entry for this position? See, the entry was at about 197, and if you have invested in this and waited till now, it has gone up to 1400. It's a weekly chart. The stock has not come down. It's an Adani Enterprises stock. Every week it has been. See how long you could have gone and taken the profits as per the simple rule. Simple rule: entry here, exit whenever you get a candle closing like this in a weekly time frame, or if your GTD order gets triggered off, you are out of this market. Okay, so you can just try and test this strategy. See here, entry is here. What was the price? On 311. Exit is here, 679. Simple strategy. Alchem, I think it's a new stock. Amar Raja Battery, short trend. Ambuja Cement, you will be surprised to see the results here. Ambuja Cement has given an entry at 180. Exit is still away, it's still trending, 405. Okay, so very simple strategy, guys, and If you really want to invest your money instead of mutual funds, you can do this simple thing and follow this simple rules. Entry at what? 1520. Today it is at 3929. You're just riding the super trend. Okay, you have to just once in a week sit like this and scout for stocks which are giving a super trend entry. When this entry had come in this week, this entry would have been like this. It will be something like this. This would have come. Okay. Then look at the conviction and volume. After 3-4 weeks, it came up, started going up. You're holding it for months because you're riding the trend. Look at Ashok Leyland. Where is the entry? 59, 127. Asian Paints 1788. Exit at 2564. Again re-entry at 2758. AU Bank. Oro Pharma is in sideways. See, this is already in consolidation. So along with this, you should always have your own technical analysis as well, apart from this rules. But even if you blindly follow these rules of entry and exit, whenever you're riding the trend, it will be a long trend and long profit. Whenever you're hitting your stop loss, it will be mostly at the same levels. See, here's super trend break. If somebody goes short, again this goes, your stop loss is hit here. So it's not a problem. You can take multiple entries. See, here was the entry, stop loss was not hit. If you already placed an order, then stop loss would have been hit here. But if you have waited for a candle to close below super trend without placing your stop loss, then this entire thing would have been your profit. Bajaj Finance. See, once you learn this, it's become very easy for you to do it. See this, Balkrishna Industries. Where is it now? Bandhan Bank, Bank Baroda, Banknifty. After this, it has gone. If somebody was riding the future, they could have exited at this 35,000, 33,000. Bata India sideways. Berger Paints has given you an entry. They try to take your stop loss, but if you have a mental stop loss for a candle to close below this, then you could have gained from Berger Paints. Bharat Forge still going up, still strong. Bharti Airtel sideways. BHEL sideways. Biocon negative. BPCL Cadillac has given a good entry here. Even now it's a good time to buy. 611. Chola Finance has given an entry here at 581, 949 the price. Cipla still going strong, 949, entry at 516. Like this, it's a simple. I'll show you something else also. See this Grasim, you will be surprised to see the kind of results. 572, now it is 1549. This is the kind of result you can get if you stay and follow simple rule-based system. So like this, you will find a lot of stocks, and if you want, you can have a screener like this. I will show it to you on charting. And every week do one thing, just scan for weekly super trend breakout. Okay, run your scan and see which are the two stocks. Havels. Okay, let's check Havels. A, B, C, D. Havels. Yes, Havels is giving an entry 1146. So simple way. You're getting an entry here, and you have this weekly super trend. You can identify this and invest into this stock, and keep this super trend as your stop loss. So your super trend stop loss will be simple: 1000 is your stop loss, 146 rupees. So buy the quantity which you are comfortable and keep it there, and wait for the market to perform and give you returns. And which was the second stock we had in this scanner? It was Nestle. And okay, let's check Nestle. Nestle is not in this list. We can search or add a script. I've added Nestle. See, even this is giving you an entry, 18,143. It's already in an uptrend and consolidated and wanting to break out from this level. You can invest. So this is a very simple way of being an investor. What do you have to do? If you have good capital, 10 to 15 lakhs, divide the capital as per the trade. If your stop loss, I'll show you how you can calculate and invest also. Let me just open my Excel. Assuming you are entering at 742 on Havels, and you see that 1000 is the stop loss, so you have to see 1000 minus 142, 142 rupees is your stop loss. Okay, you say that every trade I can risk only 5000, then you say 5000 divided by this, so your quantity on Havels should be 35. You can just place 35 shares and wait for the stop loss to hit. If it hits, then you're out of the trade. Or create a simple rule: candle closing on below weekly super trend. This is your exit. Simple. So this is your exit. Do not break the rules. Follow the same rules and keep investing. Keep making money. And anything, if you are super cautious and you feel that market can suddenly crash from there, which can give you a huge loss, so you can definitely keep a GTD order and continue. Most of the platforms today provide GTD orders, so you can definitely look into that and place a GTD order for you to exit your trades automatically. Otherwise, you can keep watching it every week and see where is it going. Is it in positive territory or not? It is definitely going to be in positive. I'm telling you with my experience. You just follow this simple strategy. So that's it, guys. That's it for this week, and I hope you like this short video, and it'll give you a clear and crisp direction how to invest your money. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.